Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been? In this video, we got another unboxing. Well, these did come directly from Nike. Highly anticipated pair for myself because I don't have these in my collection. As you know, I do like the UNC colorways, and so when this was coming out, I knew I had to get it. Let's check out these bad boys right here. It does come in that classic Jordan 11 box. This is my size 10. These did come directly from Nike. I wish that they probably could have done something a little bit special with the box. As you know, when the lows came out, they did put a blue Jumpman instead of the red one. But here we got the same box. Again, looking on the inside, we don't see any stickers or stamps on the lid, so I'm going to move that to the side. We do have that standard tissue paper. Bam! We got the shoe, the Jordan 11 Legend Blues. This is a very nice colorway in my humble opinion. This is my first time looking at these in hand. I did not go to the mall because I wanted to see my pair firsthand. Just so you'll know, they do have that quality control sticker right there in green. Again, nothing else in the box special about this box, so move that to the side. So moving around to the shoe, ultra white shoes right here. I think this is a very clean shoe, my humble opinion. We're not going to waste a lot of time on these because of course everyone's seen these before, but this is my first time seeing these in hand. So one of the big difference about this pair, if you didn't know, it does have that high patent leather that's supposed to be going back to the OG pairs that came out back in 1985. So this is supposed to be the more authentic shape of the pair as well. I'm looking over my pair right now. It looks very good in hand. I don't see any flaws in this shoe. Let me go ahead and take a quick look at the other shoe real quick. I think they did a good job of my pair overall. I'm happy. I did get that free shipping. Hey, let me know down in the comments, because one of the issues that I did have with Foot Locker, like I said, I did win a second pair from Foot Locker, but tell me, why did the Foot Locker charge me for shipping? I thought when you're a member, you're supposed to get free shipping. So let me know down in the comments that happened to you. I ended up paying like $8.99 shipping fee, which caused that pair of shoes to go over $250. It was like $255 and some change. Since I did get these from Nike directly, these had no shipping fee, so I'm not sure if I'm going to keep both pairs right now. I may just take them back to Finish Line to see if they'll reimburse me for the shipping. But let me know, have that happened to you before? Again, this is a very clean pair of shoe. Predominantly of the shoe is all white. And you see that Jordan Jumpman right there in that UNC blue. I really love that hit. Moving around to the back, we do see that 23 on the back we're accustomed to seeing. Keep on moving around. Very clean shoe, again, all white. Do see that carbon fiber right here, that UNC blue. Again, you want to take a look at this right here, because this is one of the telltale signs whether your shoes are real or fake. I know my pair is real because it did come directly from Nike. Again, another thing that I've been noticing lately, that Jordan brand has been doing these like widow peak. It has a small, tiny widow's peak. It's not as big as normal. But again, that may be one of the telltale signs that your pair is real or fake. Smelling the shoe smells good. Looking at the ballistic mesh on the tongue, we do see that Jordan on the third eyelid right here. Read on the side, it does say Jumpman Jordan, and it does have the small little white Jordan jump band in there. So if yours is a different color, that may be another telltale sign that your pair is fake. Again, this is some nice patent leather. I'm looking at the cut. I'm going to say it's not that thick overall. As you can see right there, looking on the side, it's not that thick as normal. So that is one of the differences that I see on this pair right here, that the patent leather is really thin. Looking at the upper, it does feel like a leather material. Again, with this smoother, softer material on the back panel right here. And one of the ways you can tell real or fake too is the stock liner, how it's supposed to protrude out. You see that, how it protrudes out from the shoe and gets that slope right there. Some of the pairs, the fake pairs, you know, that slope is not sticking out. It's very flat or flush with the shoe. But you can see that from the side view. I do like that the sock liner is black, so we don't have to worry about getting the shoe all dirty. Let's look at this. Features standard white rope laces, no aglets on the shoe. Looking on the inside the shoe, we do see that Nike Air in white. Looking at the back of the tongue, we do see that standard branding on the patch. And the patch reads, quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. And they're referring to Michael Jordan. So let me know down in the comments, did you grab you a pair of these? Again, this is a very clean shoe. We see that white bluish outsole. I did think that it was going to be a little bit more bluer, but looking at these in hand, it does seem light blue. We see that the sole, you can see the Jumpman in white. Again, it does have those black pods. I do think that's a nice touch. I can't wait to rock these in the summertime and the wintertime if you get the perfect fit. I did go ahead and order me a white Jordan hoodie to match these shoes. I'll just probably put a picture so y'all know what it looks like because I just ordered that yesterday. I'm not sure how long it'll take to get those in. But overall, this is a clean shoe in my humble opinion. Let me know down in the comments, are you rocking these Jordan 11 Legend Blues? And I'm still waiting for another pair of these to come in from Foot Locker, which they haven't arrived. I thought the first pair that I unboxed were it, but it wasn't. Again, overall, it's a nice clean shoe. And you know, I was kind of like on the fence about getting these, to be honest with you, because you know I did already have the lows in my collection. But once I saw that the Gammas were coming out next year, holiday 2025, I knew I had to get these because it's kind of like the matching set. So if you look at hopefully the Jumpman will be similar in color. And you know, like it's like you have a light pair and you have a dark pair. So if you have the Gamma and you have these, and that, to me, that like completes the set. And again, I know I've been asking y'all, do y'all want to see my Jordan UNC collection that I've been collecting these pairs of UNCs and the different models and different UNC colorways. But let me know if you want to see those, and I'll be happy to share that with you. And I can show you some more of what I'm talking about. But yeah, but this pretty much wraps up the video. I appreciate you as always. If you're new here and done so already, go and hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and smash that bell for your notification, so you can watch unboxings like this. And until next time, we'll see you, Sneakerheads.